Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a cinematic hyperlapse video by using the motion blur feature on CapCut. So here you can just add your clips and then click on the clip, go to speed, then just speed up your clip 2 times. Okay, click on the check icon and then just go to the motion blur and set the blur 70 and the blend 25. Okay, just click on the check icon and wait for the motion blur feature to apply to the clip. Okay, so now the motion blur has been applied. Then I'm going to just add some filter. Here I'm going to add the green orange filter under the movies category. Now you are done, and here's the final result. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye.